So good afternoon, everyone. Here we can start our today's lab. Screen is visible, voice is audible. Okay, we have checked everything. So here, first of all, we will see today's agenda. Please be quiet here. So here we completed our second experiment in our previous lab. Today we need to see configure NAND and NOR logic gates as universal gate. We need to see this highlighted practical, third practical here. Okay, so for let's say for 30 to 40 minutes, I will explain a theory behind this third experiment. Once it will be explained, then online student will have this kit with them. Okay, that already has been introduced. I hope already all of you are aware with this virtual kit. So the practical will be performed using this kit, and students who are available inside the lab, they will use our digital trainer kit, our IC available with me. Using this IC and the digital kit, you will perform same circuit on this trainer kit. So that will be the today's agenda. Some theory will be explained, and based on the theory, you will explain your experiment, either online mode or offline mode. So here, okay. So configure NAND and NOR gate as an universal gate. So first of all, we need to understand what is NAND gate, NOR gate, why they are called universal gate, and how different kind of circuit can be made using this NAND and NOR gate. Okay. So first of all, let's start our right now I'm sharing with you one PPT. Okay, logic gates, first of all. Although it is not still covered in our theory session, that's why I need to introduce it. What is logic gate? Generally, logic gate is designed using either transistor or CMOS. We have covered in our second experiment that whenever we will build transistor in some manner, then it can give either OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate function. So basically, logic gates are designed using either transistor, and they are some component like resistor are also used with transistor, and they will be designed. Most basic logic gates are AND, OR, and NOT. These three gates are basic gate: AND, OR, and NOT. NOR and NAND gate are universal gate, and XOR and XNOR gate are advanced gate. So here, in the theory, we need to learn all these 7 gates, but based on experiment 3, we will be looking only right now NOR and NAND gate. Rest of the gate will be covered in our theory session. So generally, whenever these gates are combined, one digital circuit will be designed. Digital circuit will be designed, means combined, then processor-based system can be designed. And whenever processor-based circuit will be combined, one complex system will be designed. Ultimately, a basic of all this complex circuit is what? Gates. Either basic gates or universal gate. So here, first of all, let's say NOR gate. So what is NOR gate? NOR gate, OR gate, and inverter. That will give us the NOR gate. So here, this is the symbol of NOR gate, 2 input NOR gate. Fine. OR gate with bubble. Now, this inverter, we will call it bubble. Over here, the inverter in digital terminology, we will call it bubble. So OR gate and bubble will give us the NOR gate. How we can write it down? Let's say output is C. We can give any symbol. Over here C is taken. Input A, input B. What is the logical operation? OR gate. And then inverter. So in this manner, the function will be written like this. This is the truth table. Now what is the truth table? Sometime you can be asked what is the meaning of truth table. So truth table is a table form which indicates the relationship between input and output. At the left hand side, we will write all the input. At the right hand side, we will write all the output of circuit. This definition will be used whenever complex circuit would be there. Okay, at that time we will remember the definition of truth table. So here, as per truth table definition, we have noted input. Two input are there and one output. So this is NOR gate. If two input are there, then how many combination are there? Total four. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So whenever we will give 0, 0, output of NOR gate will be 1. For rest of all the combination, output will be 0. So this is the NOR gate truth table. Let's say 3 input now. So here 3 input NOR gate symbol is given where 3 input are there indicated by ABC. Output is indicated by F and its symbol is OR gate with bubble. OR gate with bubble. And it will be indicated like A. Don't read it plus. We will read it A or B or C whole bar. Whole bar. In this manner it will be read. So if 3 input are there, so how many combination can be made? 2 raised to 3. Total 8 combination. It would be started from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we know the beat pattern. Okay. So based on it, it is NOR gate. So whenever all input are 0, then and then output are 1. For all rest of the combination, output is 0. So here 3 input NOR gate. It is called universal gate. Now we need to see why it is called universal gate. So we will see it later on. But here first of all we will cover NAND gate. Okay. So NAND gate is what? AND gate and inverter. NAND gate, where is pen? Yes. NAND gate and inverter. That is called NAND gate. AND and inverter. So here this is the symbol. This is the notation, or it is called Boolean function. It is called Boolean function because from the second chapter you will be having the word Boolean function, logic circuit, okay, truth table, excitation table, characteristic table. Okay, this type of table are there. That's why I made truth table definition clear. What is truth table? Notation A and B whole bar. How we can make its truth table? Everyone knows the truth table of NAND gate 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. 3 input NAND gate. So NAND gate which is having 3 input ABC, output is F. So here total 8 combination are there. Output is 1. Everywhere output is 1. If all the input are 1, then output is 0. Okay. So whenever you will start your practical, first of all, you will check the truth table of NAND gate, truth table of NOR gate. Then you will design a circuit, whatever I am going to give you. Okay, so first of all, you will check the truth table. Now, why NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal gate? Can anyone tell me? Because I hope this thing you have been learning in your 12th standard. Is it so? NAND and NOR gate are universal gate. Why? Sorry?
No idea.
No idea. Okay. So what's your name? Okay, very good. So here, as she said, what is universal gate? So right now we know AND gate, we know OR gate, we know NOT gate. Okay. But using NAND and NOR gate, this AND, OR and NOT gate can be designed. Now what is the advantage of it? We will see it using one example. One example is also covered here and we will verify what is the advantage to use NAND gate. But first of all, what is the definition of NAND gate, universal gate? A gate using which basic gates can be implemented. Now, what are the basic gate? Whenever our lab was started at that time, I clarified this 3 category of gate. AND, OR and NOT are called basic gate. NAND and NOR are called universal gate. XOR and XNOR are called advanced gate. Now, basic gates means AND, OR and NOT are called basic gate. So using NAND gate, these three basic gate can be designed. That's why NAND gate is called universal gate. Same way, using NOR gate, three basic gate. Which are basic gates? AND, OR, NOT are called basic gate. These three basic gate can be designed. That's why NOR gate is called universal gate. So whatever theory is explained right now, we need to prove it using our experiment. Okay. So let's say NAND gate as an universal gate. So here NOT gate is designed using NAND gate. NOT gate is designed using NAND gate. Let's say input is 0. So here 0, here also 0. What will be the output? We already covered truth table. What will be the output? Output will be, that's why we covered here its truth table, if you remember. If both the inputs are 0, output is, if both the inputs are 1, output is, please remember the truth table because we need to verify it. That's why I covered truth table first. So whenever I will ask you, you must be having the answer. Okay. So here, if A, let's say A is 0, so both the input of NAND gate will be 0. If both the input will be 0, output will be 1. Reverse case. Let's say input is 1. So here both the input will be 1. Both the input will be 1. Then I already told you. Output is, so what is the conclusion? If we will take NAND gate and if we will short its input with each other, and if we will check its output, then output of this NAND gate will be equivalent to NOT gate. Are you getting my point? But how you should make the connection? You will take one NAND gate, you will short or you will connect their input together. You will give input, common input, and if you will check output, then output will be equivalent to NOT gate. So let's say you are making one project. Okay, right now you want to make one project. You need NOT gate IC. What is the example of NOT gate IC? 7404. 7404 is NOT gate IC. In your project, you require NOT gate IC. But you don't have right now NOT gate IC with you. But you have NAND gate IC 7400. So are you able to make your project using NAND gate? Or you will stop to design your project? મારો ક્વેશ્ચન શું છે તમને કે સપોઝ તમારે પ્રોજેક્ટ બનાવવો છે, તમારે એમાં નોટ ગેટ આઈસી ની જરૂર છે 7404. તમારી પાસે અત્યારે નોટ ગેટ આઈસી અવેલેબલ નથી, એના બદલે તમારી પાસે નેન્ડ ગેટ છે 7400. તો નેન્ડ ગેટની મદદથી તમે નોટ ગેટ બનાવીને પ્રોજેક્ટ પૂરો કરશો કે અટકાવી દેશો? સમજાય છે? કારણ કે તમે નેન્ડ ગેટની આઈસી ની મદદથી તમે નોટ ગેટનું ફંક્શન મેળવી શકો, એટલા માટે એને યુનિવર્સલ ગેટ કહેવામાં આવે. Okay, so this is the verification. Same thing you need to check using our kit. So you will make this connection. I hope slowly and gradually you will remember which kind of connection you will make. So this is the first thing you will make on your kit. Students, those are online. They will make this kind of connection on virtual kit. Okay. Second thing, observe here. NAND gate as an AND gate. Now what is happening? Suppose you don't have AND gate IC, but still you want AND gate function. You are having right now NAND gate IC. So if you will make this kind of connection, then easily you can get AND gate. Now what is happening here? Can anyone explain it? It's very easy. We have proved whenever both the input of NAND gate are connected, it will be work as an NOT gate. We have proved here. Okay. Now here, If I will give 0, 0, whatever output I will get here, it will be inverted. It will be inverted. So 0, 0. So over here we have checked this truth table 0, 0. So output of first AND gate, NAND gate will be 0. Over here it is 1. NAND gate it will be 1. And because it is inverter, right now it is inverter. Whatever input over here I will get output inverted form. So 0, 0. Ultimate output is 0. So you will make your truth table 0, 0. Output is 0. If you will take second example 0, 1, you will be getting 0. Third combination 1, 0, you can check it out, you will be getting 0. And last combination, if you will give 1, 1 here, NAND gate output will be 0. It will be 1. So final output will be 1. So if you don't have AND gate IC, but if you have NAND gate IC, still if you are going to make this kind of connection, then you can easily get NAND gate function. I mean, should I give you two IC to make this connection? Should I give you two IC or I will give only one IC to make this connection right now which are displayed on the screen? Should I give you two IC? One. Why? Because I am talking about this circuit. If you want to design this circuit, you will require two NAND gate. And in one IC, one NAND gate IC, you can get total 4 NAND gate. So you can easily make this circuit using only one IC. Okay, and how connection are made, that we have already covered in our first experiment. How you can make connection. You need to apply same concept here. Fine. So NAND gate can be worked as a NOT gate. NAND gate can be worked as a AND gate. Last one, let me remove it first. NAND gate can be worked as a OR gate. I already talked about three basic gate: AND, OR, and NOT. Three basic gate can be developed. Now observe this thing, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. How OR gate function is there? For 1 by 1 combination, you need to use the truth table of NAND gate. Okay, in your book, you will make NAND gate truth table. Then you will make this circuit truth table. So you can verify the truth table, same as OR gate truth table you can get. And in the examination also in 3 mark, this kind of question always asked. Explain NAND and NOR as an universal gate. So first of all, you need to explain NAND gate, NOR gate, and then you need to explain these 3 circuits with their truth table. Okay, and don't forget, in any subject, whatever explain in lab, that can be asked in your examination. It is not such like that in whatever content is covered in lab, it is not in syllabus. Based on syllabus, the lab is designed. So whatever cover in lab, that can be asked in your exam also. Fine. Is there any doubt why NAND gate is called universal gate? Same explanation is for NOR gate. So now what is your aim? You need to design total 6 circuit. 3, 4 NAND gate, 3, 4 NOR gate using IC. I am going to provide you the IC of NAND gate and NOR gate. You know the connection because you know how to make the connection using this IC. But you need to make connection as per given circuit. This is your first agenda. So still some theory is there that need to be cover here. Then afterward you can do your experiment. First of all, is there any doubt in this explanation, anyone? Yes, Shrey. So online student will perform all this circuit on this virtual kit. And I already explained this kit in experiment 1. Okay, using which you need to perform this practical. Later on, you will be asked to share your screen. Okay, so make sure. But still some theory needs to be covered. Then afterward, you will start your work. Is there any doubt? Okay. So here actually this circuit, I mean next topic is given in your theory. But right now I am going to explain it. So it will not be covered in your theory. Okay, because this portion is linked with this topic. So the theory portion is covered here. So please be attentive. Mostly what happened, generally all this circuit which is made up by AOI. What is the meaning of AOI? AND gate, OR gate and inverter. This is called AOI circuit. So we have already proved that NAND and NOR gate are universal gate. Means any gate, basic gate can be replaced by NAND gate. So generally, please be attentive. NAND gate equivalent to AOI. Now what is the meaning of AOI circuit? A and O or I inverter. A circuit which is made up by AND gate, OR gate and I inverter, it is called AOI circuit. Now based on explained topic in your examination, what you can be asked? Convert AOI circuit to only NAND gate circuit. Again I am repeating, convert AOI circuit using only NAND gate circuit. Now what you will do? So we have already seen AND gate equivalent to NAND gate, where see all NAND gate are used. This circuit and NAND gate both are equal. OR gate and the circuit using NAND gate. Inverter circuit using NAND gate. Please remember all these three circuits which are given at the bottom part. What is our aim? We need to implement AOI circuit using NAND gate only. So let's say this is one function given. Z is equal to B and C bar or A and C. Don't read it plus, we will read it or and AND. So this function is given. What we are told, design a circuit using NAND gate only. Okay, is it visible there? Okay. So first step, draw AOI equivalent circuit. Now we know what is AOI equivalent circuit. So how we will draw? So first of all, B and C bar. So this is C bar. This is C bar. Is there any doubt? Now B is connected here. So output of this AND gate will be BC bar because it is passed through AND gate. Here C is connected and A is connected. So output of this gate will be AC. This BC bar and AC are OR together here. We can see they are OR together. So here input of OR gate will be BC bar and AC. So whenever we will pass through this OR gate, we can get BC bar or AC. Is there any doubt in this circuit? This is AOI representation of this function. This is called Boolean function. And this is called its AOI equivalent circuit. A circuit using AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Is there any doubt? And below this circuit, number is written 7408 IC is used here. 7432. In the examination, it's okay if you will not write this number. You just will write AND gate, OR gate. If you are told to write the number, then and then you will write the number. Okay. Now what is our aim? Our aim is we need to replace this all gate with only NAND gate. This is our aim. Okay. So first step, draw AOI equivalent circuit. Second step, consider the equivalent NAND gate circuit. So we have already seen this is NOT gate equivalent circuit of NAND gate, AND gate equivalent circuit, and OR gate equivalent circuit. We will replace this AOI with NAND gate equivalent circuit. So we have replaced it. We have replaced here NOT gate using NAND gate. We have replaced one AND gate using two NAND gate, same way. And we have replaced this OR gate using three NAND gate. So second step, replace AOI. AOI means AND, OR, and inverter using its equivalent NAND gate circuit and redraw the circuit. Okay. Third step, a sequence inverter. See, once you will draw this circuit, over here you can see that this is inverter. This is also inverter. Why inverter? Both the input are shorted together. This is inverter. So whenever in this sequence, remember this thing, any sequence, two inverter are there in redrawn circuit, then cancel it out. First step, draw AOI circuit. Second step, replace AOI with its equivalent NAND gate. Now observe the circuit. In the circuit, if sequence-wise two inverter are there in redrawn circuit, cancel it. So here they are cancelled. And again, remaining gate should be drawn. So this is the answer, final answer. NAND gate circuit using only NAND gate. Circuit using only NAND gate. Here we can see AOI gates are not used. All gates are NAND gate. So here, whenever you will compare this AOI and NAND gate circuit, this was our actual circuit. By means of function, we have drawn the first circuit. And this is our final circuit using NAND gate. Whenever you will calculate number of IC, so how many gates are here? One NOT gate, two AND gate, one OR gate. So here let's calculate the number of IC. So for OR gate I will require 7404. For AND gate I will require 7408. OR gate I will require 7432. How many gates are used in one IC? One. Although, how many total gates are given in one IC? NOT gate, six gates are given in one IC. If you remember. Do you remember it? Hex IC, hex inverter. And here 7408. Total gates are 4 given in one IC. We will use 2. 7432. Total gates are given 4. From this, we will use only one gate to build this circuit. Okay. So total number of IC 3. You will require 3 IC. 7404, 7432, 7408. 3 IC are required. Still, most of gate are unused. We can see from this table. Most of gate are unused. So this is not maximum utilization of given gate. Now look at the second table. How many NAND gate are used here in this circuit? 4 NAND gate. This is one NAND gate, second NAND gate, third NAND gate, and fourth NAND gate. So whenever you will take 7400, how many gates are given in one IC? 4. How many are used here? 4. How many IC will be used? Only one. Using single IC, you can design the circuit. So this is the proof that NAND gate is universal gate, and because this is universal gate, if we will implement any circuit using NAND gate, the number of IC requirement is less, such that utilization of IC is also good. Is there any doubt? That's why NAND and NOR gate are universal. Same thing is applied for NOR gate. Same explanation, but in place of explanation will be for NOR gate. Okay, one example is covered here, and comparison table is also given. So that's why mostly NAND and NOR gate are used as an universal gate. But we need to have a proof of it. That's why we will have the hands-on experiment on this particular explanation. So what is your aim? You need to implement this 6 circuit. First, NAND as a NOT, NAND as an AND, NAND as an OR. Separate circuit. First of all, you will make only NOT gate. Then disconnect the connection. Okay. Then you will make AND gate. Not in one IC or in one experiment you will make all connection. No. NOT gate perform, disconnect all the connection. Then again for NAND gate make new connection and verify the function. Same for OR gate. These 3 circuit you need to build, and then you need to build this 3 circuit. Student, those are online, please start your work using simulator, and you can go on the table. I am going to give you the IC as well as the kit. Vishnu, okay, I am going to repeat it. Just hold on. Vishnu, are you there? Vishnu? Step 2, should I repeat? Unmute yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat step 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just hold on. Step 1 is clear, right, Vishnu?
Yes.
POI circuit. Second step, over here, we have started our topic from here. AND gate, NAND gate equivalent circuit is this. Vishnu, are you getting it?
Yes.
OR gate, then if you will make connection of NAND gate, you can get output which is equivalent to OR gate. And inverter, if you will make this kind of connection of NAND gate, then output of this will be equivalent to inverter. First of all, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, what is our aim? We need to design our circuit using only NAND gate. The first step is draw actual circuit. Second step, we need to replace this each gate by its equivalent circuit. So this is equivalent circuit using NAND gate. If NOT gate, then we can draw like circuit like this. OR gate will be replaced by this configuration, and AND gate will be replaced by this back-to-back NAND connection. So here we have replaced this NOT gate by this NAND gate where input are shorted together. Both the AND gate will be replaced by this back-to-back connection of NAND gate, and OR gate will be replaced by means of this circuit. Is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have replaced it. You can see NOT gate is replaced by This circuit where input are shorted, AND gate is replaced by 2 NAND gate and OR gate is replaced by 3 NAND gate. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is the step? Inverter which are coming in one line. This two inverter will be cancelled. So here this inverter and this is also inverter. They are coming in same line. Back to back inverter will be cancelled. Vishnu, is it clear?
Yes.
And the remaining circuit means this NAND gate, this NAND gate and last NAND gate. You need to draw it out. Whenever you will verify the circuit, you will be getting this same Boolean function.
Yes. Now it's
So
clear.
same Boolean function can be implemented using AOI as well as same Boolean function can be implemented using this circuit also. Okay, but what is the comparison? Over here proof is given. Same Boolean function we can get from this derived circuit. So over here at the last comparison is given. This was the main circuit and it is a circuit which is implemented by only NAND gate. See, everywhere NAND gate is there. So here as per comparison I already explained, to implement this circuit we will require 3 IC. Same function can be implemented using only one IC. Yes, Shubham, I am going to share the screen. Link. Here is the link using which you need to make the connection. Okay, Shubham. Is there any other
Okay,
doubt?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
So I am going to keep this circuit in front of you. Everyone will make this virtual kit in use and you know the connection. One by one, every connection should be checked. A single circuit will be checked single time. Okay, not all the connection are made simultaneously. You can be asked to share your screen. Remember this thing. So everyone will work on it. Okay. Meanwhile, I am going to explain the same practical on our kit. Okay, online student, you can start your work on virtual kit.